So just like with our other two things that we have talked about today, groups and Gmail, Hangouts is all about communication and kind of upping that level of communication for you and your students. Some schools are very quick to say they want Hangouts to be shut down, not be used due to interaction between the students. However, if we can harness that interaction and figure out a way to model the correct digital use of tools, maybe we can kind of change that narrative for the students where instead of cheating, they're collaborating with each other, which is what Google is always meant to be used for, is the collaboration with our students. So as normal, you can always use your Waffle and find the Hangouts app there, or you can just go to hangouts.google.com. So you can use Hangouts on any device that gets the internet as far as your smartphone or your computer. So if you'll notice here, this is the main Hangouts page. There's a few different kind of Hangout formats. So you have a video call, a phone call, or messaging. So over here are all of the conversations that I've had previously. And so if you notice GWC 2020, that is a Google Hangout that I have for all of the girls who are currently in my Girls Who Code group. So you can create different groups of students who are together in a Hangout for different purposes. Okay, so you can create a new conversation by clicking here. I can create a group, so I can put everyone in our Google certification class into a group if I wanted to, and then create a Hangout that way, or I can just create a Hangout with one other person by typing in their name. I can also start a video call, so you can have up to 150 people on a group chat, just almost like an instant messaging or texting, which is what we saw here over here where I had all of those people, all of those conversations that were open there. Or you can have up to 25 people on a video chat. So think of video conferencing, e-learning days. You could do videos with your students when it's supposed to be class time, just to make sure that they understand the directions or the activity that was given. But the way that you start a meeting, a video call, is I could just say Google certification combo. It's going to load up here and I can invite people. It's going to ask me to allow to use my microphone and camera, so I'm going to allow that. I can see notifications, so I'll allow that. Camera's starting up, so it's just taking a minute to okay, it says it's unable to get my microphone and my camera, so let's change this. That just means it's pulling on my computer from the wrong microphone, so I just want to try to pull that down. No, that's not working. So let me see. Wonder why it's not grabbing my camera. Technical difficulties. Oh, probably because I'm using it for something. Oh, so anyways, so that should work. And then if I join meeting, this is what it looks like. This is my meeting nickname. And then if I wanted to invite other people, I could take this link right here and I can send it out to you via email, or I can add people down here by name and just add them that way and it'll send them an invite. You can also add that link or create a link in a Google Calendar invite. So if you have a parent who wants to do, a web call, you can, create that in your calendar and invite them to do a video chat with you. And then down here, I can just hang up. You have captions, which are really nice if you need captions. You can also present your screen. So I'm just going to leave that call and return to my home screen. Okay, so you have video calls and messages. Phone calls, I don't really see a place for us to use those that often, but just know that those two options are there for you. Again, you can use it on your Chromebook because you have the webcam if you're trying to do a video chat. If you're doing the instant messaging, you can do that from any device. Your Chromebook, you can do it from your cell phone if you have a smartphone, and you can create those groups on Hangouts.